ng 2023, Jermaine Prado mga kaibigan, 506, inaabot ko si 511. Kumaliwa, ay pamana, itong si Jermaine Prado mga kaibigan. Ang lakas ng talagang pinadyakan ni Jermaine Prado habang ito na lumalawit na po mga dila nitong dalawang kinargahan ni Jermaine Prado. Wala na opening kilometers for Jermaine Prado.
This is your Dwayne Entertainment Playpack.
Okay, here we go. This is the women under 23, comprised of 14. Riders, ladies and gentlemen. So, nandito po mga kaibigan si Alexis Belen, si Marian Dacumos, Mauro de los Reyes, Lovely Gita Ruelas, si Maritoni Krog, Jermaine Prado, Jelsi Sabado, Cristel Saldino at Margaret Tolentino, including itong si Kate Yasmin Aquino, Mary Joyce Monton from the United States, at itong si Abigail Rombawan, Shane Yao, and Joan Bartolome. 14 riders competing right now in these women under 23 or women elite finals. Alright, check na natin kung 40 minutes to, baka binawasan plus 3 laps. Usually 3 laps naman So medyo mas malakas bumanat itong mga women elite ngayon Okay, medyo lumalamig na ang panahon ngayon, ang weather condition, lumalamig na ang Tagaytay. 4:10 PM right now dito sa Tagaytay. At for your information, Jermaine Prado will defend this title. By the way, in 2023 and 2024 itong si Jermaine Prado, So nakadalawang dalawang gold at isang silver sa kanyang record 2023 to 2024 dalawang in 2023 dalawang gold and 1 silver, at sinundan ito ng ganon ding resulta in 2024, dalawang gold at dalawang or isang silver. By the way, last year ang nagwagi po sa criterium, ito pong si Jermaine Prado pa rin talagang inago niya muli ito kay Mauro de los Reyes. Nakita po natin, na-cover natin in 2023. Jermaine Prado mga kaibigan, 506, inahabol to si 511. Nagpapanik na kumaliwa, ay kumana nitong si Jermaine Prado mga kaibigan. Ang lakas ng talagang pinadyakan ni Jermaine Prado habang ito na lumalawit po mga dila nitong dalawang from sumusunod kinargahan ni Jermaine Prado. Wala na opening kilometers for Jermaine Prado. Susunod pa rin tayo sa likod. By the way, this competition ay dinodominahan at binabantayan ng mga Philippine Navy Standard Insurance. By the way, binabati mo natin ang Phil Cycling. Of course, its sponsors, MVP, Standard Insurance, Excellent Noodles, 7-Eleven, and this Dwayne Entertainment Live is presented to you by Cavite Laguna Expressway, Cavitex, Metro Pacific Tollways, at binabati din po natin ang Junlin Rental House and Bulaluhan dyan sa Mimakdo. Yung mga pupunta dito sa Tagaytay, walang matira na at murang-mura lang dito. May bulalo ka na, may titirang ka pa. Diyan po sa Junlin Rental House and Bulaluhan, dito sa malapit po in front of Tagaytay Tal Vista Hotel, and beside McDonald's. Right now traveling at a speed of 53 kilometers, continuously pedaling despite the steepness and downslope gradient of this particular portion of this rectangular race route. Here we go. At 50 mga kaibigan, Jermaine Prado nowhere to be found. medyo binura na po mga kaibigan. Talagang sinakmal na ni Jermaine Prado, dinominahan na ang race na ito, no? Kitang kita mo talagang itong si Jermaine Prado in 2022 alone ay talagang kinopo niya lahat ng competition events dito sa Nationals, ITT Criterium and Road Race. No wonder still the Venus of Philippine cycling right now, right before your eyes. Jermaine Prado, ayun, sundan na natin sir, buntutan natin. Sayang naman, malayo na to. Pinaagwat ni Jermaine Prado mga kaibigan. About 10 to 15 seconds ang difference ngayon. At still Jermaine Prado is doing his part right now to take the lead. Right now Jermaine Prado has a commanding lead of about 10 seconds dito sa Chasers or Peloton, or should I say Peloton. Jermaine Prado right now, eto may sumusunod, sumisimangot ang sumusunod sa kanya sa hirap at liksi nitong si Jermaine Prado. Of course, this is her element mga kaibigan. Ang ruta na to pinagharian ng ilang beses ni Jermaine Prado. Still at by the way, ano, para siyang pumipidal sa Cavite Laguna Expressways na napakakinis ano ng kanya pinipidalan. Okay, Maritoni Krog mga kaibigan, bumuntot na ang naglakas loob na bumuntot kay Jermaine Prado sa mga oras na ito. Oh my goodness. By the way, itong si Maritoni Krog is the daughter of former national cycling team members, si Miss Marita Lucas. Mga kaibigan, in front, right before your eyes, two prominent figures in Philippine cycling. Two elegant athletes in Philippine cycling, Maritoni Krog and Jermaine Prado taking the charge. Palingap-lingap pa rin si Jermaine Prado, mukhang nagpapahinga at bubulusok to. Titignan natin kung makakahabol itong si Maritoni Krog. Sisindakin ni Jermaine Prado, given that Jermaine Prado is very familiar sa magitong terrain, ano, taga Pagbilaw, Quezon ito, no? Talagang lagalag itong si Jermaine Prado, a former welder born in April 1993. Jermaine Prado right now will be turning 32 this coming April, if I'm not mistaken. April to April 3 or April 2. So a former gold medalist of Southeast Asian Games, a national cycling team, current national cycling team member, Jermaine Prado, a former Philippine Navy Standard Insurance, and now she has her own cycling team. Kabilang nga po dito sila sila Angelica Altamarino at si Cyril Bonilla. At ito a former leader itong si, by the way, ito namang si Maritoni Krog, a former leader in the under 23 women. In 2023, when we cover the same competition, if I'm not mistaken, si Angelica Altamarino dislodged itong si Maritoni Krog dito sa Criterium, Talagang ang nangyari po nung nakaraan, naging pabor kay Angelica Altamarino sa team nila ang pagkapanalo niya, while natalo naman, na-dislodge naman on the other hand itong si Jermaine Prado ni Maura de les Reyes in 2023, and in 2024 okay, Jermaine Prado regained her throne dito sa Criterium. This in her element mga kaibigan, Jermaine Prado. On the heels of Jermaine Prado, Maritoni Krog. So wala pa ho, Sa likod po talagang binuran nila mga kaibigan ng mga 12 competitors behind. At we'll confirm mga kaibigan kung ano pa ilang pang remaining minutes before the conclusion of this exciting and thrilling women elite. At nandito rin po, no? Nakalista rin po dito si Miss Mary Joyce Monton. Miss Mary Joyce Monton hails from Los Angeles, California, IA, and also participated in the Nationals in 2022. Pero ngayon po, kitang-kita mo naman po, no? Talagang homegrown talent. Nakikita natin right before your eyes, Jermin Prado. Si Ricky Calia, nagbibigay ng tubig. Hindi, inisnab lang ni Jermin Prado and ni Maritoni Krog. Here we go, si Sir Joey De La Cruz, or Joey De Los Reyes, nakaabang. Standing guard mga kaibigan kay Jermin Prado. Standing guard, Maritoni Krog. Mukhang mawawala signal natin. So stay tuned mga kaibigan, stay tuned. Ito medyo si Jermin Prado ngayon, pinong-pino ang kanyang pedal, 20 kilometers per hour. Ito namang si Maritoni Krog, talagang nakasunod lang, ano? Of course, enjoying the slipstream from Jermin Prado. Ayan po mga kaibigan, ayan po mga update ngayon at this very moment. We tried to cover the men under 23 but our battery ran out of juice a while back. So hindi natin na-cover pati mga semplangan ngayon sa men under 23. Napakasayang at we have a new champion from Iloilo sa men under 23 for your information. Alright, here we go. Ito mga kaibigan, nasa honeymoon stage mga kaibigan itong si Jermin Prado at itong si Maritoni Krog, former and current nationals champions. By the way, if I'm not mistaken, ano, itong si Krog din, ano, champion din sa under 23 criterium to, ano, not until he was dislodged by Angelica Altamarino in 2023 because we were absent in 2024 kaya wala akong masabi, no?
Going back to Maritoni Mathilda Krog, the face of Biwasek Cup in Vietnam, she's the daughter of former members of the Philippine national cycling team. Her real given name is Maritoni, while Mathilda is a special name given to her by her beloved father who passed away in 2017.
Here we go, walang humbayang bakbakan mga kaibigan, as if I'm watching Jermin Prado and Maura de los Reyes right now. Ito na yata ngayon ang bagong hamon kay Jermin Prado. Itong si Maritoni Krog. About 5 years. Hindi natin alam ang difference, ano, ni Jermin Prado, because Jermin Prado in her 31 ay still continuously dominating the field in the criterium. Jermin Prado, a former Philippine Navy Standard Insurance rider under the then head coach 1991 Marlboro Tour champion Bernie Lantada. By the way, a Grand Slam champion of Tour of Matabungkay, Jermin Prado. Sabi nga nila, no? Age is just a number for Jermin Prado. Taking her pride right now to dominate. Tapat mo ng konti, idol. Tapat mo. Here we go, Jermin Prado and Maritoni Krog, both became champions of the nationals. Right now, under 23, from under 23 to elite. Sporting standardized by Maritoni Krog. Still can't pull off. So mga kaibigan, the game is between Jermin Prado and Maritoni Krog at this very moment here in National Criterium 2025 Women Elite Finals. So a very exciting and thrilling race. Indeed, unmissable mga kaibigan. Itong women under 23, that's why we decided to cover itong under 23 despite itong itong signal natin medyo hindi maganda, at the same time itong we're running out of juice. Okay, still covering the continuing saga. Napuputol po ating signal, ito, given that Tagaytay is kumbaga great place to stay pag mainit sa Metro Manila, Here we go. By the way, this Doing Entertainment live coverage is presented to you by Cavite Laguna Expressway and Metro Pacific Tollway, Cavitex. At batiin din natin ang MPT South. At of course, ang Field Cycling headed by Field Cycling President Abraham Bambol Tolentino, Technical Director June Lumibaw, Commissar 1 and the first women commissar of the Philippines, Ma'am Sunshine Vallejos, mga kaibigan. Okay, up close and personal, ladies and gentlemen, Prado and Krog and Prado, inseparable at this moment. Dito sa Tagaytay, ang backdrop po nila mga kaibigan ng SM Wind Residence. Of course, medyo pinapahintula sandali. Alright, yung takbo po nila, yung takbo po nila na yan ay about 26 kilometers per hour at 1%, 26.3 kilometers per hour. At hindi pa ho nagtatangkang magtrangko itong si Maritoni Krog. Mga kaibigan, napapansin po natin very combative rider itong si Jermin Prado, at medyo mukhang pinapagod na lamang ni Maritoni Krog itong si Jermin Prado, pero si Jermin Prado wala yan, very independent si Jermin Prado. Knowing her, itong si Jermin Prado talagang may potential to drop you dito sa race, itong si Jermin Prado. Okay, 4 minutes remaining dito sa allotted time, plus 3 laps po ito, and nakikita niyo po, even the People's Television 4 ay kino-cover to mainstream media, including your Doing Entertainment. itong ongoing nationals. Medyo nangangawit-ngawit na ng konti, ano? Nag-iinat-inat ng konti itong si Maritoni Krog right now. So pasensya na po mga kaibigan, at napuputol-putol po talaga ang ating signal kasi medyo cloudy rin dito, at even our computer ay nako-confuse po of course. Final 3 na yan, ano? Alright, right now these two riders, dalawa na lang po ang naglalaban dito mga kaibigan. Kanina pa to, as reminiscent of Jermin Prado and Maura de los Reyes in the same cycling event, Criterium 2023. Nagbantayan lang at binaliwala as if they go mano a mano right now. Right now, these two riders talagang hindi mapipigil yan. Prado and Krog, they go mano-mano right now. Off to the final 3, if I'm not mistaken, off to the final 3. Ito po ang kasalukuyan, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. This is your Women Elite Criterium Finals dito po sa Tagaytay, no? Presented to you by Cavite Laguna Expressway, Cavitex, MPT South, Fuel Cycling, and its sponsors, MVP Sports Foundation, at nandyan din po ang Standard Insurance, 7-Eleven, Excellent Noodles. Tingnan po natin ang kanilang padjak, ano? Tingnan natin ang padjak na ganun pa rin, Krog. Alright, nakita mo naman si Krog, ano? Talagang nagko-concentrate, ano? Staying the course. Staying the course. Ito nga, nagsisilbing si Maritoni Krog is like a bubblegum on Jermin Prado's foot. Etong si Maritoni Krog right now, hindi maalis-alis, madikit na madikit itong si Jermin or si Maritoni Krog. Talagang ang fitness level nitong si Jermin Prado ay talagang far beyond your expectation, ano? Talagang napakalakas. Final 3, ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, for almost the entire race, this race has been under a stranglehold by these race controlling pair. Jermin Prado, national team stalwart and multinational road championships medalist, against Maritoni Krog, the face of Vietnam's Biwa Cup, a former national under-23 alike, and a national team rider in her own right.
Pababa po ito mga kaibigan at a speed of 50 kilometers per hour right now. Downslope gradient, -8, -9. Still pushing. Itong si Jermin Prado, ano? Number 506, Jermin Prado, a member of the national cycling team. Both members of the national cycling team itong dalawa. Talagang banat na banat. Lapit tayo ng konti. Alright, rider number 506-505, Jermaine Prado, captaining. So mga kaibigan, talagang wala, as if sila lang po ang participantes dito. 14 riders po nagpa-participate dito, pero makikita po natin dito parang minomonopolyo ng dalawa ang women elite criterium na to 2025 dito sa Tagaytay. Mga bindung participants din to, no, sa Vietnam, itong dalawa na to, na most probably in March, no, itong bindong or Biwasi Cup rather, Biwasi Cup, kasi BTV sa mga lalaki. So medyo pati motor natin, no, ramdam, umiiyak kay Jermaine Prado. 40 kilometers per hour, bumababa sa 36, umakit naman ng grade 1%, mga kaibigan. Tinayuan ni Maritoni Krog ang kakalsada na to. Hindi pa rin kumakawala. Ginagamitan lang din ng utak ni Maritoni Krog to be the best. Eka nga ni Maritoni Krog, beat the best. Kaya nga, she's trying to beat Jermaine Prado to be the best. Jermaine Prado, mga kaibigan, is currently the Women Elite Criterium defending champion. By the way, batiin muna natin ang ating sponsors, ang Cavitex, MPT South, Cavite Laguna Expressway. Of course, batiin din natin ang Phil Cycling sa pamumuno ni Phil Cycling President Abraham Bambol Tolentino, Technical Director June Lumibaw, Commissar 1 Sunshine Vallejos, together with their sponsors, MVP Sports Foundation, Standard Insurance, Excellent Noodles, 7-Eleven. Final 2 na ba yan? Final 2? So right now, mga kaibigan, as if these two riders will overcome itong mga nasa likuran nila ngayon. Mukhang makakain pa nila sa bilis nila, no? By the way, Jermaine Prado, mga kaibigan, ano, from 2023 to 2024, dalawang ginto po at isang silver ang kanyang nakukuha po, no, sa nationals from 2023 to 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, going back to the history nitong Jermaine Prado, from 2023 to 2024 ay puro dalawang ginto ang nakukuha niya sa nationals, ano, at isang silver. And in 2022 ay yun, talagang kumupo siya ng tatlong ginto sa tatlong kompetisyon. Talaga overall sweep niya yun, itong category ng women elite in 2022. By the way, is the Grand Slam winner of Tour Matabungkay Women. Yan po mga pinakita na ni Jermaine Prado, and even a gold medalist dito sa individual time trial in the 30th Southeast Asian Games in 2019. Jermaine Prado, a former welter turned Navy, a former member of the Philippine Navy Standard Insurance, At ito po mga kaibigan ngayon, the steel-legged Venus of Philippine Cycling, Jermin Prado against Maritoni Krog. By the way, itong si Maritoni Krog, na-awardan to na parang the most beautiful cyclist in Biwase Cup sometime in 2023 if I'm not mistaken. The daughter of the two former national cycling team members. Here we go, ramdam niyo po mga kaibigan. Naghihingalo na po mga kaibigan ang makina ng aming motor, habang itong si Jermin Prado halos pahirapan na, nakabantay din at naka-video itong si Angelica Altamirino sa gilid lang. .506 versus 505 ba? 505. Alright, final lap mga kaibigan, final lap. Still everybody's game mga kaibigan. So lahat po ng sambayan ng Pilipino mga kaibigan na nakatutok dito sa dalawang ito, dito sa Nationals, inaabangan po tayo dito, inaabangan ng resulta to. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, here we go, the update. Final lap dito sa Women Elite Criterium. At malalaman na po natin mga kaibigan kung ma-defend pa kaya ni Jermin Prado ang kanyang trono dito sa Women Elite Criterium. And last year po siya nag-dominate pa rin, talagang na-recapture niya ang kanyang throne dito kay Maura de los Reyes at nagkamit siya ng 2 ginto at 1 gold. Ay, 2 ginto at 1 silver rather. Alright, parehas kasing letter G, gold saka ginto saka gold nagkahalo-halo na. Medyo pahapon na rin kasi lalapitan natin mga kaibigan. Final assessment. Still at the top of their form. Jermin Prado walang pinagbago sa pagpapadyak. The same with itong si Maritoni Krog. Titignan lang po natin kung paano sasagitsit itong si Jermin Prado anytime soon, or si Maritoni Krog kaya ang mag-initiate ng final sprint to the finish. This is the Women Elite Criterium Finals mga kaibigan. 505, 506. Magkasunod pa yan 505 and 506. Itong si Jermin Prado talagang for her, age is just a number. Still pedaling at the age of 31, still pedaling itong si Jermin Prado. By the way, para silang pumipidal ngayon sa Cavite Laguna Expressway, yung mga pupunta pa dito para manood for the Nationals, just take Cavite Laguna Expressway from Metro Manila. Alright, still dominating the front mga kaibigan, Jermin Prado. Titingnan natin, maisahan kaya ni Maritoni Krog itong si Jermin Prado.
Now the moment has arrived, ladies and gentlemen, for this runaway duo that had a strange hold on the race from the gun, Prado and Krog. Two juggernauts of the respective teams now about to charge into the final 300 meters. Been a steady state battle, but here comes the move. Prado cranks it up on the climb. Krog dips deep in response. A pure battle of experience. Power against resolve. Prado keeps charging. Krog cannot match the torque. It's Prado's race, ladies and gentlemen.